Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a link for a video. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, prepare your video. Let's say, for example, I have this video right here. All right. Now, I want you to go ahead and open up your favorite browser, just like this one. Now go ahead and go to drive.google.com. I'm sorry. You can go ahead and type it down without capitalizations. Okay. Again, drive.google.com. Now, once you're in here, just log in with your account. Now go ahead and click on New, File, Upload. Now go ahead and select the video. Click on and make sure that it is highlighted. Now click on Open. Wait for the upload process to finish. And then once that's done, you can now then go ahead and close this one. Go to My Drive. Wait for it. You'll be able to see the uploaded video from here. Right-click on it. Click on or hover over Share. Click on Share once more. Wait for it to load. And then under General Access, you could click on this drop down and click on anyone with a link. But if you don't want this option, you could just type down. Or if you just want to send it to select people, well, go ahead and type down their emails right here manually. Right? Now, click on this editor option. They can edit, or they can comment, or they can view only. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it to editor and click on send. And by the way, if you want others to see it too, you can right click, share, restricted. Well, just go ahead and leave it to anyone with the link. Copy the link and we go ahead and post it in your social medias. Anyone that clicks on the link can go ahead and open up this specific video. All right, I hope that makes sense. But that's it for now. That is how you create a link for a video. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.